What is up, guys? Today we will have a brief review and connection of the Apple Magic Mouse 3 in 2024. So as for now, it's the latest version of Magic Mouse here. As you see, still with Lightning, no Type-C available, and the model name is A1657. It was produced, this mouse I purchased in 2024 and it was produced in 2024 as well. So what we have here, it's a brief review and I will connect it. I have here a MacBook Air M3 with me and I will connect it to the newest MacBook Air to check whether it's worth to buy, whether it's need to buy, and how it's working together. Alright, so let's firstly review. Lightning Type-C cable you will have by default. I will not show it right now as my box somewhere far away. Also you have the switch, turn, connect or disconnect. The laser connected here, such rubber cover from two sides, of course Apple logo and some description like designed by Apple in California. That's how it looks like, really slim. I think it's plastic on the top, again Apple logo, and when you hold your hand like this, so you will always have this gap, so you need to adjust to this mouse. Although you have actually one button, but you can divide it by right and left click in the settings, I will show you later. And the color available white and black. I have a white color, but I think for my MacBook black color will be better, but white still not bad, still classic Apple color. Of course the charger is not very nice, that you cannot charge and use it at the same time, but it's not a big deal as you charge it once per several months of usage, so just for 2 hours you keep it at night, at the morning you can easily use it. Okay, so let's connect it. I have my Bluetooth open here. Let's open the Bluetooth settings, mouse here turned on, Magic Mouse visible here. Let's click connect. Okay, it's really fast, as you see, connected, already working, as you see, just like a scrolling bar here, and the mouse itself also working perfectly, and has 37% charging here. As you see here, that's the noise of this mouse. You will hear, I will come closer to my microphone, that you will hear when you click it, so it's not that let's say silent mouse. Forget this device, disconnect. That's the version 3.1.1 Magic Mouse. Let's open mouse settings and check it out. So what we have here is point and click option, so actually it's just regular point and then click, so just nothing special. You have the tracking speed, fast or slow. Also you have content tracks finger movement, natural scrolling option, secondary click option, so you can have click the right side, click the left side, off, smart zoom, double tap with one finger like this to zoom. Okay, it works only in some apps, but you have these options. That's how I set it up. More gestures, swipe between the pages. You can select out of 3 options, how to scroll it with 1, 2 finger, or swipe between full screen application. So actually with 2 fingers you can swipe between full screen application, quite convenient to use it like this. Double tap with 2 fingers, so you'll have window control. I don't have any windows, so that's how it works. Now although you have set up Bluetooth mouse, it's just move back to the original settings. Okay, and you have advanced settings. It's just point acceleration. The point will move more quickly for fast mouse movement and more precisely for slow. So if you, as you see now, for example, if I move faster, it moving faster, and if I move slower, it will be more slower. If I disable it, you can see all the time moving faster as I select the sensitivity to fast. Okay, let's move it back, so now it works better. So right click I have here, as you see I click on the right side, so I have one click. If I click here, it's just regular click, that's a right click. You can activate this right click here in the settings, that's how it works. Click left, off, or click right. By default it's off, so I just put a click right and it will work as a regular mouse. So basically I used to this mouse, and when you're used to it, it's quite comfortable. Of course Logitech mouses, it's much more convenient, and As for me, it's fit your hands much better than Apple mouse, but still Apple mouse has a nice design, works perfectly with Apple, especially the scrolling works well between pages. Also, this type of scrolling works well, so it's fully like sensor mouse and it looks modern. From disadvantages, you cannot hold it perfectly, you always need to hold it this way, so you need to get used to it. Although you can order for $3 on AliExpress some special holders for your mouse, it become different to hold, but yeah, it will be not original Apple mouse. Firstly, secondly, this sync laser will go further, so it will not work that well as it's working now. The second disadvantage is the lightning and location of this lightning. Of course, I prefer 2024 Type-C, and it should be located somewhere on the side or front where you can charge it and use at the same time, or just not charge it this way but charge it normally. That's several disadvantages, but gesture is one of the advantages. Battery life up to 2 months as for my usage. Stable Bluetooth connection, and also can be connected to any others like iPad, iPhone and others, and fully integrated with Apple devices. That's the advantages of this mouse. So the price is around $70 right now. You can get it on a discount, and for $70 it's a good deal. Depends if you need it, because the trackpad here in M3 is perfectly, and actually this Apple mouse works perfectly with MacBook Air M3 in 2024. And actually, your life, your choice, you can select whether you need it or no. Go to nearest Apple store, connect to your MacBook, let's try to do some your regular tasks for I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes, and if you feel that it's yours and you really need it, just buy it. If you already after 10 minutes of usage feel tired, you're not comfortable, and you think that you will not get used to it, just leave this idea and don't do it. Okay, that's pretty much it. In case you still have some questions regarding the mouse, put it in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.